What is it? It's a bug?
It's yucky.
It's yucky?
Yeah.
What's he doing in the window? Is he sleeping? There's a moth in the... What's going on, Ella? Is that a bug?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's a moth.
It's not.
I'm not quite sure if he's playing dead or if he finally is dead, because he was flying all over the family room last night. Yes. Yeah, in the window. And we couldn't get him last night, could we? And now he's either tired from escaping us or he laid there to rest forever. Ella, can you poke him? Poke him, see if he's awake. Can you touch that bug? You don't want to? Hold on. Hold on. Do you see the bug in the window? Do you see the bug in the window? You see him?
It was an accident, guys. Come on. Now you gotta believe.
Did he fly in? It's alive. Where'd he go? He's flying. Mommy lost him in the window somewhere. I see him. There he is. That's a big old moth. That's Mothra. Can you say Mothra? That's from Godzilla.
No.
Yeah? He's over here, Ella. Look.
It's here.
He's icky.
I see the bug, yucky.
He's yucky.
Andy, I'm heading out the door. Oh, I can't find him.
You watching Toy Story?
Boy, now come on.
Where's that bug, Ella? It's still hanging there. Is it gonna fly again? Ella, where's the bug?
I know I left him right there. Honey, I'm sure he's around.
Ella, can you touch it? Uh-oh. Where's he going? That's a big old moth. Look at that big old moth, Ella. You see him?
Oh, no.
Ew. Disgusting. Say disgusting.